Good morning, boys and girls. Today I'm going to teach you how to get on Seesaw. Let me go out. First I need to go is to my class link. Click on my class link. And you're going to do this on yours. And once you get the class link, you're going to go down to Seesaw. And once you go to Seesaw, yours will look different. This is Miss Chadwick's class. If you're doing somebody else's class, it'll be different. You're going to click Activities. And all the activities I need you to do will be right here. And all you do is click on the activity, and it will tell you what to do. Example, this one here says, I will hit Add Response, pick a sample student, and it will tell you how, you will get here how to move the circles. Can you get that? Oh, click this. And you're going to click this so you can move the circles and the triangles and other, okay? This is just an activity that I just thought I'd do. When you finish, you're going to click that, and then you'll be finished, okay? Any questions, let me know. If you have a particular tablet, then you have to let me know, and I have to get you the code. Thank you.
I'm glad you ain't crazy. And I think you'll get talking to yourself.